In other news, the turnout of registered voters in the 2016 presidential polls hit a shade under 82%. In the May 2022 presidential polls that catapulted candidate Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. into power as the 17th President of the Republic, 82.6% or 55.5 million of 67.4 million cast their votes. Still, the biggest voter turnout in the last presidential polls in 2022 was from local absentee voting at 88%, which the poll body expects to duplicate or even surpass in May's midterm polls, as our Luisa Erispe elaborates.
At exactly 8 in the morning, uniformed personnel, government employees, and media persons registered under local absentee voting have cast their votes for the 2025 midterm elections. According to the COMELEC, it expects around 57,000 to vote as local absentees. Most of them are personnel from the Philippine Army and Philippine National Police.
Ang nagparehistro po para sa ating local absentee voting ay 57,000 at ini-expect natin more or less makakaboto ang mga yan. Ang pinakamadaming contingent sa Philippine Army.
Compared to the previous elections, this year's LAV is easier and faster because unlike before, when the LAV was done manually, it is now automated. Voters will shade their ballots, then put it inside white and brown envelopes to be completely sealed. These envelopes will only be opened on May 12 for the canvassing of votes nationwide. The COMELEC assures all votes from absentee voters will be counted.
Wala mang machine sa bawat lugar kung saan boboto yung mga local absentee voter. Ang mga balota po nila ay safe keep. At the same time, nasa loob ng mga silyadong envelope. At ito po ay sabay-sabay nabubuksan sa Mayo 12 sa gabi. At sabay-sabay din po itong ipifeed.
During the 2022 national elections, voter turnout for the LAV was 88%. The COMELEC hopes to see the same voter turnout for this year's elections. Even though absentee voters can only cast votes for senators and party lists, they can still have a great effect on the results.
Ganun ka-critical ang 57,000 because this can deliver a vote in favor of somebody or against somebody para lamang doon sa 12 slot hanggang 13 slot ng Senado. Sana naman, dahil 57,000 na lang naman more or less siyang mga boboto, sana naman ma-reach din natin ganun kadaming porsyento bilang. Lalo pa ito naman ay ina-announce natin.
Local absentee voting is open from 8 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. This will last until Wednesday, April 30. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.